How we doing? Gary here. I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to do your first deposit and join EtherChain. Now, with EtherChain, you know this is an Ethereum smart contract, so you're going to need to have some Ethereum to get started. In addition to having some Ethereum, you need to have a specific Ethereum wallet to join. There are three options currently. There's Trust Wallet, there's IM Token Wallet, and there is MetaMask. These are all explained on the web browser under the How to Join tab. So depending on which device you're going to use, if you have a smartphone, either iOS or an Android, you have two choices. If you're using an Apple, at this point, IM Token is preferred. With Android, Trust Wallet is preferred. And if you're going to use a desktop computer, the MetaMask browser extension is preferred. So all those instructions and where to download, all of that is explained here. You can go through this yourself. I want to keep this video short. It tells you exactly where to download, what to do once you've downloaded. These wallets are simple to use. Okay, these very simple and easy. So once you've downloaded your wallet, uploaded whatever amount of Ethereum you wish to start with, and remember, with EtherChain, your first deposit can be a minimum of 0.1 Ethereum and a maximum of 10 Ethereum. So what you're going to do, depending on how much you're going to join with, you're going to scroll down right here to this area. So you're going to join with 0.3 Ethereum. You'll click that button 3 times. Oops, I made a mistake. You can reset that amount. Say you want to join with 5 Ethereum, or if you want to join with 5.2 Ethereum, or if you want to join with 8.2. So these buttons allow you to set the exact amount within 1/10 of how much Ethereum you wish to join with. So once you choose the amount you wish to join with, you simply click the join button. That will open up your wallet. It will ask you to confirm the transaction. And once you do that, you should be good to go within anywhere from a few seconds up to a couple minutes, depending on the congestion on the network and which network fee you paid for the gas. So at that point, you'll come back in. Depending on which wallet you're using, you'll refresh, and the screen will then show your specific statistics. Your 24-hour clock will begin once you do your first deposit and your transaction is confirmed. The 24-hour income countdown clock will begin. Every 24 hours, you will be credited with your 1% daily income. That will show up there. This will show your 310% income you have remaining. When you first join, it's going to show the full amount. Say, for example, you join with 1 Ethereum. This will show 3.1 Ethereum as your limit. If you refer any new members, the direct referral income will be reflected there immediately after their transactions are confirmed. Matching bonuses will show up there, and so forth. When you want to make a withdrawal, you can do withdrawals anytime, but keep in mind there is a network fee every time you do a withdrawal, and those network fees do vary. The network fees have been a little high recently. Ethereum has been very busy, but they've also told us that once the Ethereum, the 2.0 Ethereum upgrades to the network are coming soon, that should reduce the gas and network fees that we're paying right now. So that'll help everyone with their deposits and withdrawals. So that's it. That's all you need to do to join EtherChain. Look for other videos on my channel that explain in more detail how the program works and how you can share it with your friends and connections. This is a great program. I've been involved since we launched it on June the 9th. I haven't had any problems with this. Every withdrawal has gone through. The developers have done everything they promised, and I'm excited for the future with this program. But please reach out to me if you have any questions. You can reach me on Telegram, on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, on LinkedIn. I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to join, if you have any questions, contact me directly. Post any comments in the feed below, and join EtherChain. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. God bless.